Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to split a transaction in Rocket Money. So actually guys, first you will need to open the Rocket Money mobile app and then just go to the transactions tab, and as you can see here I just linked my PayPal account, so I will need to link a chicken account to proceed to the transaction option, etc. Right, so I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So actually guys, after tapping on the transactions tab, you will need to tap on the transaction you want to split inside it. So then just select the split and choose how you want to divide the transaction. It may, or you can choose by specific amounts, by equal amounts, by percentages, and then just tap add split to create each portion and assign a category to each split by tapping the category icon next to it. And you can also add the notes or choose to ignore the individual split transactions if needed, and that's optional. Then just tap save to apply the changes, so your split then, or your split transactions then will appear separately in your transaction list. So for example, if you spend $120 at a superstore, you could split it into $70 grocery, $30 household supplies, and 20 clothing. Right, so this gives you more accurate budgeting and spending reports. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.